Let's turn now to the fight against COVID-19 right here in our state. More than 6.4 million vaccines have already been given out in Georgia. Meanwhile, we're monitoring talk of booster shots, including your questions. Some asking our Verify team about the process for clinical trials. Liza Lucas breaks it down. It's all new for you this morning.
The Verify team is focused on tackling your questions. Russ asked whether potential vaccine booster shots can be approved after phase 1 testing. Or do they need to go through extensive clinical trials before getting the FDA green light? Let's verify our sources, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, and Dr. Grace Gauda, an expert in regulatory sciences with University of Georgia's College of Pharmacy. While the FDA has not determined we will need booster shots, we do know drug companies are already testing them. Booster shots could be an additional dose of the same vaccine or a modified version. So what does the FDA have to say about the process? The agency released draft guidelines in February. Officials at the time addressing questions about timing and size of a clinical trial for a booster shot's effectiveness against new strains.
We can't give you an exact number, but it's going to be on the order of a few hundred individuals in terms of size. And we'd expect that might take a few months, whether it be 2 or 3, can't say exactly how long, but again, on that type of a scale.
Think of it like the flu shot, which is updated annually. The FDA says the point is to build on knowledge, not start from scratch. But unlike the flu shot, COVID vaccine boosters still require clinical studies with humans.
What FDA is going to do for these booster shots, they're going to amend the current emergency use authorization, and the advisory committee will look at the data and look at the vaccine proposed, whether it's modified or just the same vaccine third dose, and they will make a decision.
To sum it up, the FDA has not released specifics, but we can verify clinical trial data is required and will study how well a booster shot works, plus safety. As of now, these trials are expected to be much faster, with a few hundred people versus the tens of thousands studied in the initial phase 3 trials.
All right, if there's something that you want us to verify, send us an email right now at verify@11alive.com. You can also text us or text the word verify to 404-885-7600.